Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. See, today we have animals figure. Wow, animal farm figures. So many animals action. Wow, very cool figures. And we have this two packets of farm figures animals. Wow, let's open it. Let's see the farm animals. Do you like farm animals, friends? Like and share, subscribe. Wow, first animal we have very big. This is brown color hen. Chicken. Wow, friend. This is hen. Wow, very cool. Wow, farm animal. Chicken. Next we have. Wow, friends. See, this is white color. Very cool. Wow, very cute. And this is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Wow, white rabbit. Very cool. The next we have white and black combination. This is very cute. Panda. Wow, friends, this is animal panda. Wow, panda. The next we can see this is brown color. Hey, with four legs. This is donkey. Donkey. Hey, what a cool farm animals we have. Hey, wow, white and black color. A cow. Very nice. With four legs, gives milk. Cow farm animal. Then next we have orange color, very big and desert animal. Camel. Camel is very big animal and live in desert. Camel. And we have lots of animals here. Let's see the another one. Oh, very big and yellow and brown color, very big. The grass eating animal. Giraffe. Wow, friends, this is giraffe, very big and very cute animal. Giraffe. The next we have, wow, this is sheep. White color, farm animal sheep. Hey, this is very cute animal we all have at our home. This is pet animal. Cat. Nice. Cat animal. Wow, friends, cat. The next we have the very dangerous live in forest. This is wolf. Oh, friends, very dangerous wild animal, wolf. Let's see this one. The first animal we have goat. Bakari. Very cool and very nice. The horse. Wow, friends, very nice horse animal. Very fast horse. A sheep. Very nice sheep. Donkey. Brown cow. Cow. Oh, it gives milk. Very cool, very nice cow animal. Wow, friends, cow. Wow, very nice. So here we have lots of farm animals. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, friends.